My name's Daniel Donaldson and I'm the Extended Schools Coordinator here at Shireland. My role is to help raise attainment and also meet the needs, aspirations of students, families and the wider community. I do this by offering a range of informal activities students and families can take part in. For example, here at Shireland we have a Saturday school. Saturday school offers workshops such as advanced and beginner karate, street dance, drama. We also have a language school that offers Urdu, Punjabi and Hindi, and we have a fantastic music school that offers workshops such as dhol drumming, steel pans, rock school and many more. Something we're very proud of here at Shireland is the introduction of the Citizenship Award. The Citizenship Award allows students from not only Shireland but also a cluster of primary schools to take part in a range of different activities and get rewarded electronic badges for doing so. They can log on and sign up to a safe and secure website where I can monitor all the work they're uploading. This is a fantastic new program that allows the children to not only take part in different activities but also socialise with the rest of the community. This is something we're very proud of and it's something we hope to continue in the future.